Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to discuss about the topic Kotosen reviews worldwide. In this video, you will get to know whether it is a legit or a scam website. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? If you have experienced any kind of fraud over this website, then watch the video till the end. I will share the way to get your money back. So friends, let's know what this website is offering to the customers. So it is an online shopping store that deals specifically with a wide range of fashionable clothes like tops, bottoms, coats and jackets, shoes, accessories and many more. So let's check some of their products by clicking in hot sale section. So friends, these are the products which are in hot sale and are available at huge discounts. So if you want to grab the opportunity as per the claims of the company, you can visit their official website because they are offering up to 41% discount on each of the product. Now let's talk about their payment policy. So let's go back to the home page. So friends, they accept Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, PayPal. Now let's talk about their shipping policy. So let's click into the shipping info section. So they usually deliver your product within 5 to 7 working days. But in this situation, it can take up to 15 days as mentioned in the website. Now let's talk about the legitimacy checkpoints, but before proceeding further, I would request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on the basis of which we can judge this website as a legit or a scam website. So friends, firstly, this website is protected by HTTPS protocol, which means the payment gateway is safe and secure. Besides this, if you want to know about the website age, friends, this website has been registered on 21st of September 2020, which means it is new and hence not reliable. Besides this, if you want to know about their About Us section, let's check into it. So let's click into the About Us section. So friends, here they have mentioned about their online shopping store and how it is functioning with convenience and comfort. Besides this, they have mentioned their standard, their outdoor clothing and how they will ship your product worldwide. Besides this, they have mentioned about their commitment, goals and way of doing business. It is also mentioned that it is 100% customer oriented and their connections with all other huge marketing products. But still it is not up to the mark because a few part of it is plagiarized and there are a lot of grammatical errors which is not expected from a highly reputed company or a website. Now let's talk about their contact address. So let's click into the contact us section. So friends, here they have nothing mentioned about their physical building address, which is a negative point. Besides this, you can contact them by messaging here your mail ID, your name, last name, your order, subject and message. Besides this, they have mentioned their mail ID, which is service@kotosen.com, which is similar to the domain name and hence adds credibility to the website. Now talking about their social media presence, friends, this website have not created any social media page till now, which is a negative point for the website. Now let's talk about their return and refund policy. So let's click into the return and exchange section. So friends, it is mentioned that they have 30 days return and refund policy. So if you face any kind of issue regarding payment or refund, you can mention it in the comment box. Talking about the website content quality, friends, it is not too good because some part of the content is plagiarized, there are grammatical errors, there are duplicacy of images, so it is poor. So on the basis of the above discussion, we can say that this website is new and hence not reliable. We will not recommend this site to anyone until we get a clear idea regarding it. Besides this, we can say that this website is possibly a scam. So, do your own research before investing your money in such a website. You can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video. We read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed and be safe. Thank you guys.